Hey everybody, this is Scott. Wondering if you guys could help me with a little bit of sound troubleshooting. I've got my whole system set up. I've got the Airwire throttle. I've got the Bachmann Connie in progress, hooked to the motor. I didn't have a reed switch for the chuff, so I ordered a reed switch and magnets. Whoops. I don't have it hooked to an axle yet, because it's going to go to an axle on the battery car. So I just have it plugged in. This thing here, I'm not sure what that blue switch is. I might cut out this tangle of wires, because all I need from this jack on the Phoenix board is the blue and orange wire that hooks to the trigger. I'll have to look up and see what that switch is for. I don't remember what that switch is for. But I believe my wiring is correct. I used the wiring diagram that I talked about earlier in this thread. It works, but the sound is kind of distorted. So I think there's something wrong somewhere, but I'm not sure where it is. So let's turn it on. That's main power. That turns the Airwire board on. You can see the green light. I'll turn the soundboard on. Alright. I've got the volume up a little high. So this is just the resting sound. There's a heavy hum that I don't think is normal. Heavy hum coming out of the speaker. I don't think that's supposed to be there. So, if we turn the speed up, drivers start moving. If I take a magnet, I can simulate the moving wheels. There's a little glitch on the chuff. I don't know if you can hear it. I know that chuff isn't very even. That's because I'm doing it by hand. But there's still that really heavy hum. I don't think that's supposed to be there. That sounds like a water fill or something. It's kind of ugly. I'll see if I can turn that off. I'm going to turn the power back down. Okay. That sound I know is normal. That's kind of the resting, non-moving sound. But we still have that heavy hum. And overall, the sound everything sounds really distorted. So, I think I've got something screwy somewhere, but I don't know what it is. If anyone has any advice of where I can start looking, I'll have to go over my wiring again and double check that I've got all the wires in the right place. But for now, it's not quite right. And again, the unevenness in the chuff I know is due to me doing it by hand. That's the only thing causing the uneven chuff. But overall, is that some kind of sound I can turn off? Is that like a pump effect or something? I'm not sure what that heavy hum is. So, if anyone has any suggestions of where I can start troubleshooting, I'd appreciate it. There's that sound again. So, that's what's happening. I'd appreciate any advice anyone might have. Thanks. Bye.